If you're trying to find a fast, effective way to just retexture your skin, clear out the congested pores, fade those stubborn dark spots, or just you're over completely the super messy liquid step exfoliants that just leave your face like sticky and stinging, you've got to take a look at what I have here. I was gifted these. These are Glow Baby Resurface pads from Pacifica to share with you. Now, the first major question you might have before trying a really powerful resurfacing product is what exactly is inside this formula that's going to help sweep away the dullness without being super harsh because you might have sensitive skin. So Pacifica handled this perfectly. There is a potent 10% plus BHA blend, and that combined with glycolic and lactic acids, it helps to dissolve the dull, dead surface skin. And then with salicylic acid, which helps dive deeper down into your pores to dissolve the excess oil and to target stubborn blackheads. So regular use is going to brighten the discoloration and lessen the acne marks. And then it has niacinamide, which works to regulate oil and visibility, tighten the look of your pores for a really smooth canvas. So another question that leads into our second question: how practical is the actual design of these pads? So this is a quick, mess-free daily application. So easy. The texture, there's a dual texture. So each pre-soaked pad, it features one side that has a gentle exfoliating side, like textured, and then a buff side to use to smooth and just sweep away the remaining. So you can simply swipe over to clean it at night, and the exfoliating acids just work overnight. So you don't rinse anything. You just wipe it on, and it's just such a great asset to have on your bathroom counter. Always remember though, when you're using active exfoliants, to protect your skin with SPF. So that might lead into a third question that I had. So is this formula clean? I don't want any artificial fragrances. I don't want any additives. So Pacifica, they are known for high performance acne results without the harshness. And these pads are 100% fragrance free, and they're formulated without parabens. There's no sulfates, and they are completely vegan and cruelty free. They're infused with aloe vera, they have glycerin, and that just helps to hydrate and calm your skin barrier, and that makes them suitable for really all skin types: oily, dry, sensitive. So it's really great. Again, I have sensitive skin and I've done just fine with these. So now that you see the final verdict, how it can balance, it can help to exfoliate, and there's no rinsing. It's so easy to just add to your nightstand or to your vanity. So effortless upgrade. You don't have to deal with the complicated chemical peels to get nice, fresh, glowing face anymore. Hopefully this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.